Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of Breadcrumbs with Shauna-Lee. I am your host and welcome to my kitchen. Welcome back to another weekly video. I hope you guys had a great weekend and I hope you guys had a great start to another week. Today we'll be making lamb chops, garlic mashed potatoes, and honey.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I got all this potential that's deep inside of me, but they hate when you're successful cause they try to be. They sit there being judgmental because you're trying things, and they just want you to settle and do the right thing. So get a good job, don't slack off. Wake up every morning, make a good impression on your boss. Don't do anything that I wouldn't do, and when you're making money, make sure you don't spend it too soon. Fuck that, I'll do what I wanna do. I got a different path from everyone, and that includes you. Who are you to tell me how to live life? In these times it feels like nobody is right, yeah. So I'ma figure out what else we succeed, and then invest all of my time into that and proceed. I need whatever the hell could make me happy, and I don't think you have a clue what could that be. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I think this life could be special if I get rid of the devils. They think that I am a rebel, I think they want me to settle. There's nobody on my level. They think that work is too stressful, I think that work is essential. The grind is all in your mental, and I don't think you understand what I'll go through just to be in control of my life soon. All the negativity, man, I'm immune. I don't really need a mask with all I've been through. I've been making changes for the ages. 5-10 year plans are contagious. I attack that shit, I'm tenacious. And if you ain't, get the fuck out of my way then. Got one life, I won't regret it. I will fight until I get it. I'll look back one day from heaven and say damn, I learned some lessons. And say damn, I had no questions. I had fun in every second, and the journey was a blessing, yeah. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing.
4 pieces. So I actually ended up cutting up 3 for myself and my husband. So let's get to seasoning. So for seasonings, I am using garlic, onion, paprika, rosemary, thyme, salt and pepper, onion, garlic. I want this to be as flavorful as possible, so I'm just gonna add this on top and then get this nice and rubbed in. Alright you guys, now that the water is boiling, I'm going to go ahead and add my potatoes in. It is finally time to start cooking our lamb chops. So in my pan, I'm just going to add some oil. I'm going to use avocado oil, and then I'm also going to add in a little butter as well. So going to add in some butter. And wait for all of this to melt down, and then I will add in my lamb chops. We're only going to cook them for 3-4 minutes on both sides, and then we're just going to make a nice little butter sauce to pour over them. Alright you guys, now let's go ahead and add our lamb chops to our pan now that it's nice and hot. Been about 3 minutes, so I am going to flip my pork chops now. Okay, we're gonna give these another 3 minutes to cook and then they will be ready. Potatoes are nice and soft, so we can mash them up now. Today, I'm going to use this handheld, whisk. I've never used a whisk before, a handheld whisk, I should say, to whisk my mashed potatoes, but I figured, why not? So I'm gonna get these in. We're gonna see, we're gonna figure this out together. Okay, see, I'm already doing it. Alright, let's try this. Okay, that actually worked a lot better than I thought, and this is how the potatoes came out. So let's add this to my heavy whipping cream, cream cheese concoction, and finish up our mashed potatoes. Everything is done and it's time to plate and try. So let's see how well I made these lamb chops. Okay, you guys, we are all done and dinner is plated. And now it's time to try. Let's get a little bit of the lamb. I'm gonna get a little bit of the carrot as well. These carrots feel so soft. Mashed potatoes, carrot, and chop. First bite. This is actually so good. This is actually so good. The lamb chops taste really good too. Very proud of myself. This actually tastes really good. Mashed potatoes are nice and creamy. Lamb chops are seasoned perfectly. And the honey roasted carrots, I feel like just ties everything in so beautifully. This is a 10 out of 10. I must say so myself. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to another episode of Breadcrumbs with Shauna-Lee. If you liked today's video, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, leave a comment. Let me know what you want to see next, but I will see you guys next week for another video. Bye!